Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in. And I'm going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty wall hanging ideas. These are very amazing. These are very unique and very classy. Ideas for you guys. If you want different other wall hanging ideas or different other craft videos, then you guys leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Hope so guys you like this video. And you guys must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and very amazing. And very unique. Wall hanging ideas for you guys. I'm glad to see you all guys. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.